Okay, so guys, today what we are going to be doing is seeing this exhaust here. This exhaust is very rusty, nearly as brown as me. So this is what the quad bike sounds like with its original exhaust, yeah? Give it a little rev, little one. Yeah, again. Yeah, alright. We've never used a fast stripping metal disc before. Got 3 screws, hold it in place. Right, there you go. Very rusted, and it's probably gonna snap, so we better get some spray bit on there. And then there's 2 bolts at the front here for the header that we're gonna take off as well. See all this mud in it? It's good. That's the front headers off. Right. We've got a KXF 450 exhaust here. Will this fit the headers? Nah. We've got some Superbike exhaust here. Will this fit? Nah. I've never seen this on a quad bike exhaust probably before, yeah? Look at that! It's got a cat or some sort of blockage in it. Need to get that out of there. Take this cut out. There. Now that that's out, we should have some more power as well. Right, what we're going to do now is spray it with some silicone and grease remover. Alright, I think that will do. Okay. Right guys, so the spray we are using... Silver grey. Silver grey, that's correct. And it's good for 550 degrees Celsius. Okay. Oh. You want to do really light cuts to start with. Naked. And that looks so much better already. It's all welded up nicely. That thing has been removed that was in there, that cat. What do you think? It's going to be louder or quieter?
Louder.
Louder?
Yeah, but deeper.
You think it's going to be louder?
No, it actually might be quieter. Let me see. Look straight through. See?
Quieter. Did you rev it?
Yeah, it's more in there.
It's not a game.